Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and then it opens up in the home menu with our feed. From here we have to go into the saved menu, and in the saved menu in the top right corner we find the little cog. If we tap on this one, and it opens up a little list. From this list we go into settings, then in settings we select account management, and then we find the password button, and we just type in here the new password 2 times. We can even check it if we want to, and after we are done with updating the password, we tap on done, and our password is going to get changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.